Today, we're diving into logical functions in DAX, essential for making decisions in Power BI. If you want to control what your measures and calculated columns return based on conditions, this video is for you. Let's get started. Number 1. If function. The if function checks a condition and returns one value if true and another if false. Example: if sales amount greater than 1,000, high-low. If sales amount is greater than 1,000, it returns high, otherwise low. Number 2. Switch function. The switch function evaluates an expression against multiple values and returns the corresponding result. Example: switch sales category, electronics, high margin, furniture, medium margin, other. Returns high margin for electronics, medium margin for furniture, and other for everything else. Number 3. In function. The in function returns true only if both conditions are met. Example: in sales amount greater than 1,000, sales region equals west. True only if sales amount is above 1,000 and the region is west. Number 4. Or function. The or function returns true if at least one condition is met. Example: or sales amount greater than 1,000, sales region equals west. True if sales amount is above 1,000 or the region is west. Number 5. Not function. The not function reverses a Boolean value, converting true, false, and false, true. Example: not sales amount greater than 1,000. Returns true for sales amounts less than or equal to 1,000 and false otherwise. Number 6. Is-blank function. The is-blank function checks if a value is blank and allows you to handle missing data gracefully. Example: if is-blank sales amount, no data sales amount. Returns no data if the amount is blank, otherwise returns the actual amount. To conclude, logical functions in DAX are powerful tools to control the behavior of your calculations in Power BI. Like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.